Hi everyone, in this video I will explain how to find coefficient of x power n in the given geometric series or Arithmetico geometric series. Now let us take one PYQ. The sum of the coefficients of x power 499 and x power 500 in 1 plus x whole power 1000 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 999 plus x square into 1 plus x whole power 998 plus so on up to x power 1000 is. So this problem was given on January 28, 2026 in shift 2. Now let us see the procedure. Just I am writing the given series. It is 1 plus x whole power 1000. Next term I am writing 1 plus x whole power 999 multiplied with x to the power of 1. Next term is, it is 1 plus x whole power 998 multiplied with x square plus so on. Last term of the series is x to the power of 1000. So clearly you can see this is a geometric series. First term of the geometric series is 1 plus x whole power 1000 common ratio. Second term by first term, that will become x by 1 plus x is the common ratio of the geometric series. Actually, you know formula to find sum to n terms of the geometric series, a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. But instead of using that formula, I am using this formula. For n belongs to capital N, when x power n minus y power n is divided by x minus y, we can get x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into y power 1 plus x power n minus 3 into y square, so on. Last factor is y to the power of n minus 1. It is very much familiar result to you. I am using that formula. So according to above formula, this can be written as 1 plus x whole power 1001 minus x to the power of 1001 whole by denominator is 1 plus x minus x to the power of n minus y to the power of n by x minus y formula used. So here xx common factors will get cancelled. The given expression will become 1 plus x whole power 1001 minus x power 1001. That is the given expression. So in this you have to calculate the coefficient of x power 499 and also coefficient of x power 500. First I am writing coefficient of x power 499. So coefficient of x power 499. This is equal to, this is the standard binomial expansion. You know 1 plus x whole power n is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power r. That is said to be standard binomial expansion. So directly I can say the coefficient of x power 499 in the standard binomial expansion is 1001 C499. So just I wrote the coefficient of x power 499. Similarly, I will write the coefficient of x power 500. So this term don't contain x power 499 or x power 500. Just we have to see only this expression. Because 1 plus x whole power 1001, that is the standard binomial expansion, directly I can write the coefficient of x power 500, that is 1001 C 500 is the coefficient of x power 500. So I calculated the coefficient of x power 499 and also x power 500. Just he is asking sum of the coefficients. Therefore, sum of the coefficients is equal to 1001 C 499 plus 1001 C 500. So you know formula NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR. So it is in the form of NCR minus 1 plus NCR. So according to that formula, this can be written as 1002 C 500. So this is the sum of the coefficients. See in which option 1002 C 500 was given. First option is 1001 501. This is not correct option. 1002 C 500. Therefore I can say option B is the correct option. See one more PYQ. The coefficient of x power 48 in 1 plus x whole power 1 plus 2 into 1 plus x whole square plus 3 into 1 plus x whole cube so on 100 into 1 plus x whole power 100 is. This problem was given on January 22nd, 2026 in shift 1. So this series is Arithmetico-geometric series. So in this Arithmetico-geometric series, we have to calculate the coefficient of x power 48. See the procedure. Let the given series is represented with S. Say S is equal to, first term I am writing 1 into 1 plus x, second term 2 into 1 plus x whole square, third term 3 into 1 plus x whole cube and so on. That last term is 100 into 1 plus x whole power 100. See 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. They are in the arithmetic progression. 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole cube, so on 1 plus x whole power 100. They are in the geometric progression with the common ratio 1 plus x. Number of terms is 100. So you know the procedure how to calculate sum to n terms of Arithmetico-geometric series. Just to multiply each term of the given series with the common ratio. See the procedure. S multiplied with the common ratio, that is 1 plus x. This is equal to, keep 0 in the first place, plus this term is multiplied with 1 plus x. 1 into 1 plus x whole square. This term is multiplied with 1 plus x. 2 into 1 plus x whole cube and so on. So the term under this term will become 99, 1 plus x whole power 100. So this term is multiplied with 1 plus x. Last term becomes 100 into 1 plus x whole power 101. Just I multiplied each term of the given progression, given series with the common ratio. Subtract one series from the other series. So this is minus, 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 minus. So here coefficient of S is 1. 1 minus 1 minus x into S, that is left side. So 1 minus 0 becomes 1, that is 1 plus x. 2 minus 1 becomes 1, that is 1 plus x whole square. 3 minus 2 becomes 1, that is 1 plus x whole cube plus so on. 100 minus 99, that is 1 plus x whole power 100 only. Still one more term is there, minus 100 into 1 plus x whole power 101. So subtracting one series from the other series, we got this series. Now let us write 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, minus x into s I am writing 1 plus x whole square, so on, 1 plus x whole power 100. That is the geometric progression. First term 1 plus x, common ratio 1 plus x, number of terms is 100. So sum to n terms of geometric progression, a, that is 1 plus x, a into r to the power of n, common ratio is 1 plus x, number of terms is 100, minus 1, by 1 plus x minus 1, a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 formula I used. Still one more term is there, minus 100 into 1 plus x whole power 101. Here plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 1 plus x multiplied with 1 plus x power 100. Therefore this will become 1 plus x power 101. Still denominator is x. I am writing x here. I am separating. 1 plus x multiplied with minus 1, that is minus of 1 plus x by x I am writing. Still last term is there, minus 100 into 1 plus x whole power 101 after simplification. Now let us take this minus x to the right side. Therefore s will become 1 plus x whole power 101. I am keeping minus sign in the numerator, by x square. Minus into minus it will become plus. 1 plus x by x square I am writing. Minus into minus it will become plus. 100 into 1 plus x whole power 101 by x. Simply just I send minus x to the right side. Now I have to collect the coefficient of x power 48. Therefore coefficient of x power 48 is equal to, it is minus of 1 plus x whole power 101 by x square. For the coefficient of x power 48, have to write the term containing x power 50. X power 50 divided by x square, so that you will get x power 48. So the coefficient of x power 50 minus is there, minus of 101 C50. So I wrote the coefficient of x power 50 in the first expansion. X power 50 divided by x square, we can get x power 48. This term don't contain x power 48. Okay, leave that term. Now for the coefficient of x power 48, in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power 101, we have to write the coefficient of x power 49. X power 49 divided by x, that will become x power 48. So before 100 is there for all terms, first I am writing 100. So in this binomial expansion, I am writing the coefficient of x power 49. X power 49 divided by x, that will become x power 48. So binomial coefficient becomes 101 C49. Let us write in the order. This can be written as 100 into 101 C49. 101 C49 minus 101 C50, that is the coefficient of x power 48. So in which option it was given, see now. So first option is not correct option, second option is not correct option, third option is not correct option. In the fourth option, 100 into 101 C49 minus 101 C50 was given. Therefore, I can say D option is the correct option. Listening and practicing both are equally important. For your practice, I had given 2 PYQs. Practice yourself. For more videos, subscribe.